Imagine starting something just to teach others and realizing along the way you're growing and learning too. Today isn't just about numbers, it's about connections. In 5 short weeks, we just passed 10,000 plus views. And I want to take a second to say thank you, truly. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is simple: to make AI less intimidating, more human, and more accessible for students, nurses, analysts, and everyday innovators like you. When Sharnese LaNier, the founder of videoassessment.org, started this faceless channel, she didn't have a big studio, a fancy mic, or a team. She had a laptop, curiosity, and a few AI tools that helped her create, edit, and automate smarter. And here's what's wild. AI built this channel with her. Fun fact, our click-through rate, or CTR, jumped over 6% once she started using AI to test titles, analyze thumbnails, and optimize scripts. That's the power of data and storytelling working together. Most YouTube channels never reach their first 1,000 views. So every milestone here means we're beating the odds together. This isn't just a channel, it's a classroom for the future. Every week, I share what she learned. From getting your finances in order as a job seeker to landing the job you really want. And soon, we'll explore specific industries: AI in healthcare, AI in finance, AI in education, AI in marketing, and more. Because here's the truth. AI isn't replacing you, it's redefining you. And every single video here is proof that you don't need a tech degree to grow with technology. So from me, Sharnese, and our little AI-powered setup, thank you. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, and quietly cheering us on from wherever you are. You are the reason this mission is becoming a movement. Now we want to hear from you. Seriously, what would you like me to talk about next? Do you want more AI tools for your industry? More guides on how to build your portfolio? Or how to land AI-powered jobs? Drop your ideas in the comments. She read every single one. Because this channel isn't just about me, it's about us. You're part of a community that's learning how to lead in the future of work. So here's my promise. I'll keep showing up. I'll keep making AI practical and personal. And I'll keep reminding you, your career glow up is only one strategy away. Hey, we're just getting warmed up. Let's hit 50,000 next, together. I'll see you tonight.